Hi, I'm Bryce Sebastian, the host of this podcast. This podcast is about gender equality, and we have Ms. Barcelo and Mr. Pangan here to answer 5 questions regarding gender equality. Let's start off with for you, what is gender equality?
For me, gender equality is being equal to one person to another. Example on their choices, on their decisions and perceptions in life. For me, gender equality too contains respect, fairly treat, and equality
Men,
matters.
women, and the LGBT community doesn't get discriminated and hated. Instead, we could all coexist without hating each other or competing with each other.
Now, for our second question, what public policies are most urgent?
For me, public policies most urgent for gender equality is the separation of the toilet between women, male, and the LGBTQ plus community. And I think this policy made the community and society more equally see the equality.
As well for the LGBT community policy and women and children policies, the punishments for those who violate these are still lacking. There are a lot of misjudgment too.
Now, how will you spread awareness on gender equality as an individual?
For me, I will spread awareness for gender equality by raising awareness of being criticized and being mistreated by someone, by protecting the others and educate others that they are matter.
We could also spread awareness by correcting kids when they seem to unconsciously pick up this early bad way of thinking that they are better just because they are this gender or that gender.
So, what are your views about the industry that discourages women?
For me, my views about this that this is the time that we normalize women that they can do what men can do. We must be foresight that everyone's matter and should be seen in equal.
This industry has such impossible standards for women. For example, women workers had to face workplace harassment. They wanted you to work, but you also need to take care of your child because you're a mother.
For our last question, the current state of gender equality and what we still have to do.
For me, we still have to do what is the best improvement of this. Raising this kind of platform is not easy. We must see and we must know that everyone's perceptions is different.
The problem here is those misogynists, anti LGBT, and even those feminists who seem to forget what's the real meaning of feminism. As long as we have these, that peaceful time where we coexist is still very far.
Thank you so much, Ms. Barcelo and Mr. Pangan, for showing your insights and thoughts about gender equality.